In the world of fabrication, every second counts. That's why we created Advance Workshop, an end-to-end management information system tailored for steel and rebar shops. Designed to automate and accelerate fabrication processes, Advance Workshop completes the link between your screen and the shop floor. Easily manage, monitor, and track your stock inventory from order entry to final delivery with the added assurance of full traceability at every step. Streamline decision-making with real-time data. Plan and control material usage, machine productivity, and transport logistics to reduce production time, eliminate waste, and cut costs without ever compromising on quality. Made to make manufacturing easy, Advance Workshop's intuitive interface facilitates seamless integration with your existing systems, whether it's your CAD models, ERP, or CNC machinery. As your trusted production partner, our team of BIM experts takes pride in delivering unparalleled support, equipping your shop with the essential tools to increase efficiency, optimize productivity, maximize profitability, and outpace the competition. Fast-track fabrication with Advance Workshop, the ultimate production partner.